Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can declare a dictionary, and we are going to discuss about the dictionary data type in Python. So Python dictionary is an unordered set of key value pair of item. It is like an associative array or a hash table where each key value stores a specific value. Python dictionaries are kind of a hash table type. They work like associative arrays or hashes found in Perl or consist of key value pair. In Python, a dictionary key can be almost any Python type but are usually numbers or a string. But values, on the other hand, can be of any arbitrary Python object. So Python dictionary have no concept of order among element. They are simply unordered, and dictionaries are enclosed by these curly braces. The item in the dictionary are separated by the comma. So let's say if I have a item name and then I'm putting the value Atul, okay, then after this Atul I need to separate the another value using comma. Let's say if I'm going to put age and I'm putting the value as 25, okay. So the item in the dictionaries are separated with the comma, and the values can be assigned and accessed using the square bracket, and that's what we are going to see in this video. So in this video we will be just touching upon the data type related to dictionary, how we can create an empty dictionary or how we can create a dictionary from scratch. And in our next videos, in future videos where we would be discussing about the data structure in Python, we would be looking into the dictionary in more detail, that what kind of functions can we use with dictionary, how dictionary can be changed into a Python pandas data frame. So let's start with creating an empty dictionary. In order to create an empty dictionary, what you can do is that you can simply use this curly braces, okay. So let's say that I want to create a dictionary and I'm going to put dict equal to this curly braces, okay. And if I print this dict, you will see that you have a empty curly braces, and this is a empty dictionary. Now let's say that you have to create a dictionary where you need to save your employee detail, okay. So I'm going to create an employee dictionary where the first key would be my name, okay. Okay, sorry, let me add this curly braces, then this name. So this is my key, and the value is Atul, okay. Then I'm going to separate it by comma. After that I'm going to give the employee ID, and then again we are going to give employee ID as 1. Let's say department is the next key. In this key I'm going to put analytics, and the last value that I'm going to give is year of joining. For this year of joining, let's put 2024, okay. Now if I print this dictionary, you will get the values like this, where you can see that key value pair for each and every item that we have in our dictionary, okay. So dictionaries are basically kind of a hash table type, okay, and this dictionary have no concept of order among the elements, so they are simply unordered. In our next video we are going to see how we can use the Python boolean data type. So happy learning and see you in the next video.